Women and children are mostly worst hit during disasters, either man-made or natural. And little wonder UNICEF Bauchi Field Office is working in collaboration with government agencies to prevent the spread of diseases, especially waterborne. They were in some local governments to sensitize people on WASH. WASH specialist Mohammed Comfort says UNICEF is working tirelessly to sensitize people in communities on water hygiene, food hygiene, and household hygiene, among others.
So what we plan, we have to also deploy the other sections to support. These are immediate measures that we take, but of course we will look at going further, providing, restoring access to services like water supply services that are broken down, in addition to the chlorination or sanitation facilities that have been submerged in water. We provide temporary or emergency services to take care of the needs, immediate needs of the women and children, especially in this situation.
Rejoice Joshua is also a WASH promoter, and she engages some women and children on how to step up their hygiene, especially after flood.
Kashi, ga yaro yana kashi. Sai ga mene a nan? Abinci. Sai wannan kuma wane ne a nan shi ma? Mutum ne. Ba ko su ganyen alayyahu, su kuɓewa. Ko ba haka ba? Duk su abubuwan dafawa yawanci waɗanda suke nan a kan je a gona zai tattaɓa. Wannan ruwan shi kuma ba shi ma ya tsira kuwa? Mata mu tafa mana
In Bauchi, Black Afsa, NTA News.